Today it's all about UCLA, 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 UCLA. That's it, right?
So today is a big day for all of us stem cell scientists at UCLA because we're announcing a big gift, a $20 million gift for our new stem cell center. Here at UCLA, we have brought scientists with very different expertise together. And the uniqueness about UCLA is that we all work together. We have very bold questions that we want to answer. And with this new gift for the Institute, we can build all the infrastructure and all the facilities that we can answer questions that we wouldn't be able to do anywhere else.
With their gift today, the Broads help ensure that UCLA will set the standard for stem cell research for the years to come, perhaps transforming lives all over the world.
This issue is about the future. Today's announcement puts Los Angeles on the cutting edge of stem cell research and on the forefront of developing life-saving cures.
Now, let me tell you something. It all is money for finding therapies and cures for cancer, for HIV, for AIDS, for Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and the list goes on and on.
We believe that our investment is going to yield great results. The most valuable return possible, and that is the improvement of the human condition. Edie and I look forward to many promising advances and scientific discoveries that you're going to make in the coming months and years. Thank you so much.
It is truly a remarkable feeling to see your work reach from the laboratory bench all the way into the patient's bedside. I know the faculty, students, and staff of our center work every day with this same goal in their minds.
It's an investment in research of the highest order that will ultimately benefit millions of people around the world and through many generations.
Stem cells are the root cell, the cell that can give rise to, in some cases, a whole plant, or in some cases, a whole organ in the body, such as the liver or the kidney or portions of the skin. And our goal is to try to understand how to use these stem cells to regenerate structures that are not functioning or to create cells that have special properties to fight disease. UCLA is concentrating in several areas. Among them are an understanding of how we can make new blood cells from embryonic stem cells and their application in blood-borne diseases, as well as in applications for fighting cancer with immune therapies.
And seed the embryo. The important thing about stem cell research is to remember that the potential is huge, but there's so much basic research that we need to do. We have to understand more about the biology of these stem cells, how they develop, how they are maintained, how they are regulated, and what if something goes wrong in their regulation that you don't get cancer. This is the only way we can make progress to ultimately cure these diseases.
Stem cell research is evolving at an incredibly rapid pace. Every day there's new scientific discoveries, new understanding of these stem cells, how to utilize them, and how to turn them into the cells that can provide regenerative medicine for the patient. It's the combination of the competitive research grants we've achieved and wonderful private gifts like today's from the Broad Foundation that will enable us to really push the agenda and more quickly bring research to the benefit of patients. Because I truly believe it's going to change the way we practice medicine in my lifetime and the lifetime of many patients and their families.